You.
I'm 30, 31.
So are you the youngest in family?
I think Kong Pico.
Exactly. Well, maraming
Mm.
salamat, no? Nandito po ngayon si Kong Umar at saka si Isabel Duterte. Nakapagdalaw po sila kay Tatay Digong. So after how many days na walang dalaw, nakadalaw sila, no? So mga 1 week ata na walang dalaw si Tatay Digong. Kamusta po si Tatay Digong? Dahil bawal na mapag-usapan ng mga pinag-usapan rin. How is he?
Sa live naman, he wishes well of us. Of course, we gave him updates about our work, how we're doing, how are our kids. We have kids, wala pa eh, single pa. So, very happy to hear that they're doing well, that healthy. Yun lang naman. Of course, nangamusta kami para kay Papa, kay Pongpulong, of course, kay Vicky Sara, kay Mayor Baste. He misses them po.
Attorney, sorry.
First time.
Tayo. Kasi
First
may
time
mga tao.
po na nakadalaw, no? First time kayo nakadalaw. Oo. And first time kayo nakadalaw and first time to see him since he was kidnapped. How should you? Ano- What's your assessment?
Ah, what do you think?
I think this parang
Yes,
like
it's the longest time that I've
like I think he's really
It's okay. But
he's well.
physically,
He's
he is
well.
still the same that Tatay Digong that you remember it to be.
He he's the same lolo to me.
no,
Like
I think when you see us, it still seems like baka may bata pa, ganyan
Correct.
nga.
Which is the same when I saw you. Because the last time I saw Isabel, well, up close was for the debut, Victoria before the debut. And then I saw you sa mga taking na.
Yeah.
Siguro it wasn't the last taking, mga 3 years ago.
Diba ganyan talaga yan? Diba parang
Yes.
hindi mawala ba eh, kahit gaano kalaki. Ako, kahit gaano na ako
yeah.
kamaspilado, ikaw pa.
Pareho tayo.
Kita niyo pa rin kayo, parang bata pa rin, babies pa rin, yan. Lalo na ako pa rin.
The next visitor is your Lola, no?
Kasama kami.
Us three.
Kasama na.
Mm.
Okay. So we will still be able to visit with your Lola tomorrow? Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay.
That's good. That's good. Now, Kiko Barzaga, ang daming humahanga. Na-meet mo na ba siya and are you close to him in Congress?
If I remember correctly, ano kami, classmate kami no seminar namin. Marami
Correct.
kami mga first time, friends.
Yes.
Mga,
Kayong classmates talaga.
Neo-fight
You
ata.
fight. Yeah.
Pareha kami, classmate kami. Pero if meet like officially, wala pa ata. I hope so. Kaya di mo masabi, ganun pala katapang yung tao na yun.
Oo nga.
Kami pala ka-observant.
Meow meow meow.
Merong ethics complaint against him. Of course, you support him, no?
Of course, ano naman, he's just speaking his piece naman. Wala bang na-violate ba siya?
Wala. I don't think there's anything na... If at all, ang dapat imbestigahan, si Tambaluslos at si Saldico dahil sinabihan na sila yung kumukuha ng 25%. Silang dapat na di ba? Sorry, meron na akong non-available warrant of arrest eh. So I can say anything. Yeah, I can say anything now. So anyway,
Wait lang, sa Pinas?
sa Pinas, they filed tanim kaso ng available. So that's why, ako, kailan lang, pero mabuti na lang, it was only fairly recently, not since I left. Before it was a congressional citation for contempt. Which is very painful kasi dyan sa Congress, para kayong high school na kunwari, magkaka-close. Tapos it was very painful sa akin na when it was my time na iniimbestigahan. Yung mga kaibigan ko were nowhere to be found. Yun ang pinakamaano dyan sa Congress. Anyway, so what else can you say about your visit? How do you feel na seeing your lolo for the first time since he was kidnapped? Since bawal kayo mag-usap, yung from your point of view.
Ako, since I met nagkita kami balik, medyo na-elate rin ako kasi honestly speaking, hindi talaga namin alam kung makapasok kami o hindi. Tapos parang surreal experience na nakita ko na siya live after how many months na. Since election time pa kami nasa kita eh. So, happy na happy ako ngayon. Um, of course, kung masabi ako, kumukowi na siya. So, that's another story naman.
Well, the Filipinos here will be having a sales facilities beginning sa 19. No? I hope you can join us because ang sigaw na ngayon is to bring him home. And of course, for the ICC to dismiss the case against him. No? Now, Isabel, she's very fond of the women in her family, expected din lahat. No? So anong sabi niya sa'yo? Is he encouraging you to join politics?
So, since I can't say what we
Yeah.
actually discussed, like, supported people, I really think he is also as happy as I am to see him. And, like, after a long time, mga apo niya, I think that speaks for itself na parang really enjoy it. But personally, um, I'm just doing what I can right now in terms of work. Like, I just told my family, na parang, I'm not closing doors, but at the same time, I'm also just happy with, like, looking for ways as how I can, like, serve or do service.
Figuring out.
Kasi dalawa ng kapatid mo, congressman and vice mayor. No?
Sabi ko sa kanila, iwan ko na sa inyo. Pero yeah, I was telling my family, and I still, like, explain to them na parang, I really wanna find my own way. And it's not that I'm closing doors, but I wanna do some things my way.
Any question?
May pinapatanong po kung Omar si Alvin. Kung maaari niyong ibahagi, ano ang pinaka-importanting mensahe na iniwan ng inyong lolo? Sa inyong mga apo?
Sa amin mga apo,
Oo.
of course, sinabi niya talaga sa amin na i-take care ng pamilya, love your children, love them as how we love his children. Kung meron man sa mapamana sa amin, siguro yung pagmamana ibigay niya sa anak niya, may bigay rin namin sa mga anak namin. Kaya siguro na tawag sa kanya Tatay Digong kasi gitreat niya ang buong bansa bilang anak niya. Na-spread niya rin ang love. Na-feel niya rin ang pagmamahal niya sa inyo.
Hindi pa ito last bisita niya, no?
No. Mayroon pa po. 3
with your lola.
pero siya mas
Ako, I'm staying longer.
Ay, excellent. Excellent.
So,
Okay, so
mayroon po bang naisiparating si Tatay Digong sa mensahe sa atin sa mga kababayan? Mensahe?
hindi ako sure kung pwede.
Para sa ating mga kababayan.
Okay na. Wag na
Pero,
mapigil pa.
If ano man,
Message mo na lang.
from me
Your
na lang
message.
sa ating mga kababayan, please continue praying for him. I am asking you na there is nothing impossible with prayers. Keep the faith lang. And yes, I hope one day talaga makalakas.
Salamat.
So yan po ang pinaka-latest na ulat natin galing sa mga kapamilya, mga apo ngayon, si Kong Umar at saka si Isabel, si Tatay Digong. We'll be back tomorrow, same time, kasama kanilang Lola Elizabeth. No? So hanggang bukas po, maraming salamat po. Okay? Pictures, we have pictures. Yeah, wala na ba yung mga kasama mo nasaan?
Papunta po sila.
Sana. Ayan.